this and that already. And remove I think a 22 nut up there, and also one over here. This one is pretty easy to remove, so I left it on. But I tried hammering away to get this loose several times, but I gave up. So I went to Harbor Freights and bought a separator here. Also got that just in case, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. So I have this ball joint tool from Harbor Freights. It's about maybe 17 or 18 bucks after the coupon and tax. Just gonna move this over to the second notch. So should just go right in there. Okay, so these two tools definitely help the job a lot. I basically just had to hammer this in, and then it just popped right off. I was like, wow, easy. This one required a little bit more force. It was pretty tight. So the control arm. Here's the old one. I was able to take it off, and I'm gonna just spray some soapy water on this. The new one, can't even move this, it's so tight. And the old one, it's loose. And yeah. Okay, so I actually had a hard time putting that, pushing into the control arm. Finally got it in, and then I got these other bolts in there. I think this was 47 foot-pounds, and the one up there was almost 60. And then yeah, so I got everything in. I had to prop this up, but I'm almost done. Okay, this is the passenger side, and I got it set up, so should be done fairly quickly after this. Over here. Oh yeah, I took the speed sensor out to give myself some room, so makes things easier. So for the passenger side, I had to actually go buy a 21 wrench here, because there's less space to actually get to the nut up here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm actually able to get the nut out now, but it's a lot less space. So yeah, let's see if we can see it. Yeah, there it is. And then yeah, once I get this off, and then I can take this out, and this whole piece should come out. So I got the passenger side control arm out, and you can see the difference here from the new one and the old one. This has about 100,000 miles on it, and it's actually not too bad, but the bushings is completely shot here, so it is dead. But yeah, new one is still nice and tight. Can't even move it. Oh. Yeah. The difference here from the driver's side is the hole here for the headlight, the automatic headlight adjuster unit. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in.